gisabay ang drone. Oh. This is a park. So, hello guys. We are here sa isang park kung saan may mga tulips and cherry blossom. So, today is Saturday. Ayan, if you can observe, ang daming tao. Ayan, ayan. Ate Tutut, let's go. You run. Ayan, sobrang daming tao. Pero, kasya naman. Ayan, cherry blossoms. So they have food stalls here where you can eat, and we are eating kebab kasi nag-crave kami niyan last week pa. So ayan guys, so this place is really nice, especially kapag spring. Ayan, it's really nice. Karampa mo, Mayor. Hanggang 5 PM lang dito guys. So ayan, it's time for us to go home. Galing kami dyan sa playground. Ayan, naglaro. Actually, yung mga bata ang naglaro, hindi kami. Ayan. So, ganda siya. Pero hindi pa siya totally bloom. Feeling ko next week talagang magbo-bloom na ito. The tulips and the cherry blossom. So, yun siya guys. So, that's it for today.